Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, The World Information. Now enjoy this video. If you catch any mistake in this video, so please tell us in the comment section because it's very hard to find correct information. Thank you.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and also like the video. Thank you. Bye.